Congress might be unraveling in one of the states where it had the strongest of prospects. There is the other alliance partner in the INDIA bloc, TMC, that is extremely confident of its prospects in West Bengal. And amidst tremors in the Congress party as one after the other strongmen quit, allies are also now being empowered to question the leadership of Rahul Gandhi. The latest, even though indirectly, seems to be TMC MP Kirti Azad. He has said that Mamata Banerjee is a good candidate to be the next Prime Minister of India. नियामिका, कीर्ति आजाद ने तो सीएम तो छोड़िए, बाईपास करके राहुल गांधी को नेक्स्ट पीएम ही डिक्लेयर कर दिया है ममता को.
Well, yes, indeed. As this is not the very first time when TMC has pitched Mamata Banerjee for the prime ministerial candidate. Earlier, also we have seen that many of the TMC leaders have given this viewpoint that it is only Mamata Banerjee who can actually give a fight to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, or who can defeat the ideology of the BJP all across the country, and that is the only reason why these kinds of claims were earlier also being made by many of the TMC members. However, for the Congress party, the way in which they are quite confident for Rahul Gandhi, they are basically stating that it is only Rahul Gandhi who is fighting to safeguard the constitution, and they also make this claim that the Congress party is the only party which is which is spread all across the country in many of the states, as it is a national party. Rest of these parties are basically regional parties, so it is not possible for any other leader to be declared as the prime ministerial candidate against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But on the other side, it can also raise a question upon the unity of the India bloc, because clearly we can see that how many of the leaders from the India bloc parties, they don't have that much of confidence in the leadership of Rahul Gandhi, and that is the only reason why such kind of claims are repeatedly being made by many of the members of the other parties, whether it is TMC or Samajwadi Party or DMK. Recently also we have seen that how in fact it is the Congress party's own leader, Mr. Manish Shankar Iyer, who had also given this viewpoint that it would be better that if this opportunity of becoming the convener of the India bloc should be given to the regional leaders, whether it is Mamata Banerjee or MK Stalin, that would be much better than giving this opportunity to Rahul Gandhi.
All right, and TMC is not alone in making that pitch, and there are other leaders from other parties also who have said, for example, Stalin and Akhilesh Yadav could be better equipped because they have managed to take on the BJP much better than Congress has under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi. BJP, meanwhile, is questioning Rahul Gandhi's leadership as well, using these very comments and allegations as ammunition. BJP is pointing out how the exodus ahead of elections is exposing how Congress leaders themselves have no faith in Rahul Gandhi.
See, there is an exodus because there's a lack of confidence in the leadership now. When the leadership does not take stock, does not listen to the people at the grassroots, then this is what happens. And this is all likelihood you will see a total dissemination of the Congress party in the future.
जब तक कांग्रेस का नेतृत्व राहुल गांधी के हाथ में है, कांग्रेस का नाव डूबना तय है। राहुल गांधी को भगवान ने इसीलिए भेजा है पृथ्वी पर कि कांग्रेस का सफाया करने के लिए। तो राहुल गांधी के अंदर नेतृत्व क्षमता है ही नहीं। राहुल गांधी अभी तक परिपक्व नहीं हुए हैं, और यही कारण है कि कांग्रेस के नेता अपने आप को कहीं न कहीं जो है राहुल गांधी के नेतृत्व में काम करने में असहज महसूस कर रहे हैं।
And the trouble doesn't just stop in Assam. The Rajya Sabha elections are also adding to Congress's woes. There are allegations of Congress MLAs cross-voting in Odisha, Haryana and in Bihar. In Odisha, the party has been forced to suspend its very own legislators. In Haryana, Congress has issued show-cause notices to 5 of its MLAs, and in Bihar, Congress is mulling action against MLAs who didn't show up for voting despite party's whip. 3 of Congress's MLAs and 1 of RJD did not turn up for voting.
This is happening with the Congress party, for the last many years, and there are allegations of taking money even for getting seats. A woman leader from Haryana who was part of the Congress party, that she had to pay bribe, and but even after that, she did not get tickets. Congress leadership should understand the gravity and should address this.
लगातार जो कांग्रेस में लोगों का जाने का, बाहर जाने का सिलसिला चल रहा है। राज्यसभा में भी क्रॉस वोटिंग हमें दिखी है। ये चिंता का विषय है। सत्ता पक्ष जो है किस तरीके से साम दाम दंड भेद कर कर उनको उनकी जगहों से अस्थिर कर रहे हैं, ये शर्मनाक भी है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी दिखा रही है कि उनके पास टैलेंट, इतना टैलेंट डेफिसिट है कि उनको दूसरी पार्टियों से अपने पार्टी में समावेश करना पड़ रहा है। असम के जो चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं वो भी कांग्रेस इम्पोर्ट हैं। तो इतने सारे जो इनके कार्यकर्ता रहे हैं, उन कार्यकर्ताओं को लेकर, उन कार्यकर्ताओं के मन में जो द्वेष आता होगा कि सारा झंडा लेकर वो चलें और फिर इस तरीके से पैराशूट कर दूसरे पार्टी से लोगों को लाया जाता है।